Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gidoki. So today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to improve your worship chord on keyboard part 2. So I will play something now, then I will break it down proper. Let's get started. So I'm doing this very tutorial on the key of F. That is your F major chord. See? Your F. For general understanding. So I just played a song. We give you all the glory. We give you honor. We give you all the glory. We give you honor. So the progression of this very song is we give you your one. That's your do. Stay on your one. Then I play something like this. So I'll break it down. Then your mi, all the fa, then re, so. Let me do it again, but slowly. We give you all the glory. Do one. Do so, fe, so. Passing chord then to your sol, then back to your do. So let me break it down proper now. So I'm using the second inversion of your F, your do. No, this is the first. This is your main, your root chord, your F. This is the first inversion. This is the second inversion. I've done a tutorial on inversion on this very channel. You can go and check it out. I also put the link on this very video. So this is what I played here. We give your left to be do to do. This is for bassist. If you have a bass in your church, you can be playing like this. I also do a tutorial if there is no bassist on this very tutorial. I'll also explain it. We give all the glory. That's your one. Your left hand is your do to do with your sol in between. You understand? Then your right hand is your do, your sol, do, re, mi, sol. This is what I use for my do. That is my one. We give you all. I play everything together. We give. Then in between, I now played fe. The left hand will be on re, re to re. Then your right hand will be on your la, your re, and your b. It's your fe. This is the fe. It's a passing chord to your sol. See it here. Your D, your G, and your B. Understand? Major G, your G major, that's it, that's your fe. So from the top, we give you all the glory, we give you then your fe. So passing chord to your sol here is your sol to sol. Then on your right you play your T, re, so it's your normal sol. From the top again, we give you all the glory, we give you honor. This next one is your mi. Play something like this. So far mi. You understand? So far mi. Your left. You understand? This is what I play. We give you all the glory. We give you praise. It's a passing chord to your mi. This little movement. All the glory. Then for your mi, go to your fa. Hope you're getting it. I'm not too fast. We give you all the glory. Give you face. Then all your fa. The fa here is your fa to fa. Then your right is your la to fa. In between them, after the fa, in between them, play add your re. That will now be a passing chord to your song. Then the end. Hope you got it. Just you can replay this very tutorial again. You will get what I played here. So from the top, let me play with the beat. We give you all the glory. Give you honor. Simple. This is how you play and spice up your worship chord on keyboard. So assuming there is no bass, let me remove the bass here. There is a bassist in your church. Let me just remove the bass here and play without the bass. So this is how it sounds. We give all the glory. It's the same thing. We give you. On this process, we'll be doing this kind of movement. We give all the glory. You see the difference? You just be doing your do, so do, all the yeah. This is your faith. When there's a bassist, the bassist will play it. So again, the beat, you get something like this. Simple. This is how you can spice up your worship chord on keyboard. I hope you understand something here. I'll still bring more series on this very line of tutorial. That's how to improve your worship chord on keyboard. So guys, that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed, please do it to like, subscribe, share, comment. God bless. Thank you. Amen. God bless.